welcome back. So, I talked about some of the Hot Wheels that I have, and we're going to continue on with the big ones. So, of course, I got these for my son. This is the Darth Vader one. And he has many of these. I just grabbed a couple of them. And the Bowser. These are some of his favorites, and probably the ones that got used the most. So I was talking to my friend. He was telling me about the green light. So I went and bought a green light monster truck, and this is what happened. So these things are like very, very flimsy. So obviously these aren't to be played with by a kid, because he had this thing broken within a matter of minutes after opening it up. So these are probably just for display. And you'll see I have some more, but we're going to leave them as just display. He is not going to have them, or else they're just going to break apart, just like this. And I tried gluing it back together, but yeah, that didn't work. But these are made very well. He is beating these up. He's throwing them off the second floor balcony. He throws a lot of his cars off the second floor balcony to see if they can fly. And they've held up pretty well. I'm pretty impressed. So I did buy more that I haven't opened yet. And of course I got, like I said, I did get another green light one that I'm afraid to open up and give to him. It's a Bigfoot. Muddy Bigfoot. I thought it was pretty cool. And this one was about to be the first one to get opened up and give to him, but this one fell underneath the seat of my truck, so I gave him that other one first. And luckily, he opened that one up first and destroyed that one. I was very reluctant to give him this one. But I do like this one. These are the... I also have another Bigfoot, but it's the Hot Wheels Bigfoot. This one is pretty cool. This one will be opened up and given to him. This one will not. Then I saw, of course I got Bigfoots. You need a grave digger. I saw these monster jams. And I haven't opened these up yet. I haven't tried out one of these monster jams with them, so I don't know how well these ones are going to hold up. Because they look, if you look at the inside, they kind of look kind of flimsy in there. I don't know if you can see. Like they could easily be broken. They're not as tough as those ones, it looks like. So I'm kind of reluctant on opening that up as well for him. But I do have other ones to give to him. Got a rubber ducky one. He'll love this one. And I am bad at keeping stuff in framing. I just thought that was cool. Along with a tricycle. Now, I remember riding one of these as a kid. These were pretty dangerous. If you really revved the throttle, it'd flip on you. Or if you turned too sharply, it'd roll on you. But damn, they were fun. And I didn't get too seriously injured. Just, bruises, scrapes. they are illegal now, I guess. The Honda Big Reds. And that's the reason I bought this one, is just because of that. Because I used to ride one as a kid. I thought it was pretty cool. And of course you saw the Bowser and the other. So I found this Godzilla. Let's move this out of the way. Saw this Godzilla one. I thought it was pretty cool. He got his spikes as the rubble in the bed of the truck. So these will be some fun. He'll have fun with. But yeah, he's definitely going to play with these. I'm unsure with this. I might open up the Monster Jam one just to see how it does. If he destroys it, or if it holds up. The Gravedigger. But this one, this will either A, stay in the package, or it'll come out and just sit in the cabinet. Probably just stay in the package. I mean, these are meant to be played with. Obviously, these aren't. Because even at the top, you can see it says collectibles. So these aren't really made to be played with. And that's kind of the reason I buy these, is for her to play with them. And the ones I like these ones behind, I'll just keep. But there's the plate. Thank you for watching.